Hello, period 4 class, and Elijah, our invisible imaginary student. Okay, so I was going to give you guys a little tutorial again on one-step inequalities, how to solve them. So hopefully this helps you guys. So look, we got m plus 16 is less than or equal to 18. You guys remember what to do? Inverse operation. So what does that mean? Let me get my marker. Whoops. So start where the variable is. It says plus 16, so you're going to do the opposite. You're going to write minus 16 on both sides. Cross out the same numbers. Bring down the variable. Inequality sign. 18 minus 6 is 2. And then you're done. Now you have to graph it. So here's your number line. Put a 0. Put 2 on the right side. You make the circle. Now, less than or equal to means 2 is the answer and everything less than 2. So shade to the left. Okay, there's one. Okay, class, here's another one. So look, negative 3m is greater than 15. Now, here's what we didn't talk about in class. So if you're going to do the opposite of multiplication, the opposite is division, but you're going to divide by a negative number. So you're going to put a negative 3 down here and over here. Okay, so what does that mean? It means negative 3 divided by negative 3. It's a positive 1. So it's just m is, now here's what happens. If you divide by a negative number, you're going to flip your inequality sign. So anytime you divide or multiply by a negative number, you have to flip your inequality sign. So instead of greater than, it's going to say less than. The answer becomes a negative 5. Okay, remember integer man, right? So positive, negative. So cross out positive, cross out negative. What's left over is negative. So your answer is negative 5. Okay? Okay, so now we're going to graph m is less than negative 5. So negative 5 would be on the left side of 0. Make the circle like this. Now, less than means negative 5 cannot be an answer, but anything less than negative 5 would be an answer. So you're going to shade to the left. Just like that. Okay, let's do another one. So now I wrote this one backwards. So the answer first, negative 8 is greater than or equal to n divided by 2. Now, the opposite of division is multiplication. So I'm going to multiply by a positive 2 on both sides, okay? Now, because I'm multiplying by a positive 2, my sign doesn't change. Even though the 8 is negative, it doesn't matter. I'm multiplying by a positive number, so your inequality sign stays the same. Okay, cross out the same numbers. Okay, bring down the variable, the inequality sign. 2 times negative 8, remember integer man, this turns out to be negative 16. Now what you can do is you can flip so the variable's on the other side. So flip everything, okay? So it'll be n is less than or equal to negative 16, because we want to write the variable on the left side. Okay, graphing it, negative 16 goes on the left side of 0. Make the circle. Now less than or equal to means negative 16 is an answer, so you color it in, and everything less than negative 16. So less than is always going to the left. So less left, okay? Okay, hope you guys are safe, you're doing well, and miss you guys. Hope to be back soon.